complaints, no regrets. I still believe in chasing dreams and placing bets. But I have learned that all you give is all you get. So give it all you've got. I've had my share, I drank my fill. And even though I'm satisfied, I'm hungry still to see what's down the other road, beyond the hill, and do it all again. So here's to life and every joy it brings. Here's to life, to dreamers and their dreams. You know, it's funny how time just flies, how love can go from warm hellos to sad goodbyes, and leave you with the memories you memorized to keep your winters warm. But there's no yes in yesterday, and who knows what tomorrow brings or takes away. As long as I'm still in the game, I want to play for laughs, for life, for love. So here's to life and every joy it brings. Here's to life, to dreamers and their dreams. May all your storms be weathered, and may all that's good get better. Here's to life, here's to love,